Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Trench Tech. Today we're going to unbox the First Alert smoke and fire and carbon monoxide alarm that speaks Z-Wave. So as you can see right here on the box that it does speak Z-Wave. It's photoelectric, which means it detects smoldering fires, and there is a mute button. This is a 2-in-1 unit. It does both smoke and fire as well as carbon monoxide. And here on the back are just kind of some of the safety instructions, and it says that it's Z-Wave compatible, it's dual smoke and CO sensing, yada yada yada. So let's go ahead and open it up. We got a nice little pull tab here. We've got the user manual and some warnings. Got the unit itself. Looks like it takes 2 AA batteries, which Duracell batteries are included. There's the test and mute button right there. It's got a CO light. It says move to fresh air, the power, smoke, wireless, do not paint. That just twists off so you can mount it to a wall or ceiling. And then warning, etc. It's got a place that you can put the installation date and the replace by date. And it's currently like the 3rd of January 2018. So it was just manufactured about a month ago, or 2 months ago. Also inside the box, on this nice tape here, great. We have some drywall plugs and some screws that went somewhere. So keep an eye out for the next video where we go over setting this up with the SmartThings hub. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you do have any questions, leave them down below, and links to everything in this video can be found in the description.